Hello, my name is Nicolas Miquel. I'm a French material artist since 2K19, and today I want to showcase you something a little bit different as materials. This is a plugin, this is my last project, and this is a UI tool that you can use every day to make your workflow better. So, as you know, you can hit space, type the name of the node you want, so for example a blend, and here make enter and the blend is created. Okay, today no more hitting space and typing the names over and over. Here is your new shortcut hub. So make control space and boom, radial wheel is created. You can scroll the radius of the wheel using control and middle mouse button scrolling, and you can, for example, select a blend, make control space, right click on the first slot, and your blend is bind on the first slot. So if I make a control space here and I click on the blend, it will create a blend. Okay. If you don't want this one at the first slot, you can easily clear the slot using Alt right click, and you can drop something new. For example, donut shape here, and right click, and this is a shape node. So I can do the same for the blur, I can do the same for the non-uniform blur, and you see the wheel will scale from the different nodes you bind on the slots, and you can just adjust the scaling of the wheel as you want. If I click on the locket here, I can do Alt right click here and it can't unbind any slot. Okay, so that's really cool. A new feature too is you can create, for example, a shape, a blur, a non-uniform blur, another, and it will chain all your node created. If you don't want that, but for example, if you want a blur and a non-uniform blur separated, the boss connected at the shape node, you can select the shape and just make a blur and a non-uniform blur, and bam, here it is. So okay, for the compatibility, you can bind all kind of node except the function one, but you can bind your custom node too. For example, if I select this one I have in my library, you can just bind it here, and if I try to create it, you can here create a position here. Okay, so another interesting things is you can customize the wheel by using color on each slot. For this, you can right click on the shape, and for example, you can make this slot red, right click on this one, make this yellow, this one green, etc. And you can easily customize your colors. One another thing is you have different worlds in this tool. So you have pages. You can scroll with the middle mouse on the different pages here. And you have a little feedback at the bottom, and you have the name of the page. You can left click on the name and simply make the main for the main page, for example, and it will rename the page. And as you see, it will keep it correctly. You can make a right click and change the color of the page. So if I want a green, I can. If I want to change manual values, I can. If I use HTML code, I can, and make it okay. And the title is green. If you want more page, you can create page by using the add button here, or if you want less page, you can just remove it using the minus button, and it will clear your pages. The wheel will keep your configuration for all the project. You can close designer or create a new graph, and it will keep the configuration, and you can easily start by creating the new one in your project. So yeah, It's completely free, and I wait for a lot of feedback to orient the feedback and the next updates, like community driven updates. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching and for your time. I hope it will make your workflow better, and see you for the next update. Thank you.